Hello, this is Dr. Michelle Jorgensen with Living Well with Dr. Michelle. Today I'm outside in my garage. The reason I'm out here is because I'm out picking up some oranges to cut up for dinner tonight. I have entire boxes full of oranges right now. I'll show you down here. I've got these boxes just full of amazing citrus. There's some tangerines, there's some oranges, there's some incredible grapefruit. And it's all from my parents' and my brother's yards and their neighbors' yards in the Phoenix, Arizona area. This is a perfect example of getting food when it's local and seasonal, because down there right now, they have neighbors that have whole entire trees full of citrus fruits that no one picks. So they went and picked it for free, and they had a friend that was coming up here from Arizona, brought it to me in Utah, and now I have these whole boxes full of citrus fruits. Now, what do I do with them? Well, I preserve them. How do you preserve citrus fruits? I do it a couple different ways, actually. I peel the oranges and then freeze them in halves, and they're amazing to add to smoothies. I also juice the oranges or the limes or the lemons or whatever I might get and freeze it in small little silicone muffin cups. And then those pop out easily, and I'll just throw one of those in a salad dressing, in water in the morning, whatever I might need lime or lemon juice for. It's very, very simple, and it's a great way to preserve things when they are seasonal, because right now they're free for me, and that's an amazing way to eat. So that's part of self-sufficient living as well, is eating seasonally, eating locally, using what you have where you live when it's the least expensive. I was just doing a cooking class lately for some high school and middle school kids, and we were teaching them how to make Thai sticky rice and mangoes. Well, unfortunately, mangoes are completely out of season, and I was paying $2, $3, $4 a piece for these things. Well, that doesn't make any sense. That's not self-sufficient living. So I really encourage you to look around yourself and figure out what is seasonal to where you live, what's seasonal, and that's going to be the least expensive thing to actually be able to eat. You're going to have plenty to be able to preserve, which just increases your self-sufficiency. So these are some great things you can incorporate into your own lives, and I'm going to go make some dinner.